Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in the daily newspaper of Friday. Yes, Friday, May the 5th, 2023. Today's it's Liberation Day. And we have already solved one puzzle, the Sudoku Light. And it's time now for the Sudoku Heavy. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve in the evening. But let me start with this one. Sudoku Heavy number 6385. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one, 28 printed digits. Is this really a heavy Sudoku? I don't know. Because if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, well, 28 printed digits should be a 1 star. For 1 star, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, for the heavy one, I do not know. Faster than 50 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Let me start with the 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be there. Right. 1, 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the second row. So no 1 in these 3 boxes. Here 1 in this column. No 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in this column, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Well, I cannot continue with the 1 now. Need to wait. How about 5, 5. The 8 in this row, the 8 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 7, yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the last column, so no 7 in this box. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 7 in the last column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 8 in the first row, the 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 8. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6. Should be there, and I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes there. So 1 box left in this big square for number 1 and 2, 3 is missing. 2 missing numbers in the last column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 6 in the third row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 6 in the last column. 6 in that column. So the column between. Only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6, 6, alright, 6, 6, alright, and 6, 6, 6. Cannot continue with the 6 now. Need to wait. How about 5, 5. 5, 5. 5, 5. Yeah, and 1. Okay. We have a 1 in this row, the 1 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 1, okay. need to wait. How about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is a 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. Here, 4 in this row, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. It should be there. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. One is the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in the third row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 9, 9. Okay. Then 3, 3, 3, 3. Yeah, need to think. 3, 5, 9. 3, 5, 9. Okay. 3, 5, 6. Yeah, 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6, 6. Okay. Here also 6, 6. Alright. And now. 3, 3. Okay. 3, 3. Need 3 here. 7, 7, 7, 7. How about 2? No. 2. 2. 2. Yeah, need a 2 here. Well, 3 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing number in the last row is the number 2. We have a 2 in this middle column, so no 2 there. So the 2 could be here or there. You see another 2 in the third column, so no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Can I count? Yes, and all the 2s are used. I can see this is number 2. But the 1, no, still cannot fill this yet. 4, 4. 4, 7, 3. 3 and 5. Come on. 3, 3. Okay. Yeah. 3, 3, 3. 3. 3, 3, 3. I'm still thinking. 4, 7, 3. 7, 3, 4, 7, 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Yeah. I'm stuck. 5, 5, 5. 5, 5, 5. And here I need a 5. So here 5 or there 5. Well, here 5, there 5. Come on. 4, 7. 7 should be here. Yeah, let me put some numbers. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places left for the 7. Could be here, could be there. 7, 7. Well, in this column, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the second row, so no 7 there. So the 7 could be here, could be there. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the third column. No 7 in these, the 3 box. So the 7 could be here, could be there. 7. 5 in the third row, last row. 5 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places left for the 5. Could be here, could be there. Come on. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 4. Could be here, could be there. 5, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of missing numbers 4. We have a 4 in this row. So no 4 in these two boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Okay, 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in one of those two boxes in this middle column, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 4 in the third row, 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So the first row, only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 in it. 4 could be here, could be there. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 in that box. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. Well, we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Alright. Okay. So now we have the 1 here. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 1 could be here, could be there. 1, 3, 6. 1, 3, 6. Here can we see? Yeah, 3 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing number in the first row is number 6. We have a 6 in this column, first column, no 6 there. Here can be a 6 because we have a 6 in the middle column, so no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 in the third row, so no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. So 1 digit left in the first row from the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for the 1. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 5, 5, okay. 7 and the 5 are missing here. Right. 6 in this column, 6 in the third column, so the column between. The only place left for the 6 should be there. And I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. So 1 digit left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 4. We have a 4 now in the last row, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. The 9 in this column, the 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the third row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with 4. We have a 4 now in this column, so no 4 there, 4 should be there. 1 box left in this third column for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 1 box left in the second row for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 and 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 3 in this column, middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 7 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 7. We have a 7 now in the middle column, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Then 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 and 2. 3 is no, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. faster than 50 minutes. Heavy? Well, no. No. Of course, it has 28 printed digits, but we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles. So have a great and fantastic Liberation Day. Yeah, May the 5th. Until then, bye-bye for now.